Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing EDC flashlight from Cyansky. It is P25 with XHP70.2. This flashlight was kindly sent to me by them, and here are some photos how it looks. I'll also post link to video description where you can find this flashlight. Today we have Cyansky EDC flashlight. It comes in this box. Here it mentions that it can use two types of batteries, 21700 and 18650. So with 18650, at least unprotected flat top, it does not work because they're too short. Chart. You can find this chart in the internet, or you can just pause the screen and take a look if you need something. One thing to mention, high, medium and low modes are different. They're twice more powerful or even more. And runtimes also are wrong because the lumens are not the same as it is in the flashlight. So inside there is plastic frame, USB-C charging cable, lanyard, spare button and spare O-rings, and a case. Case is quite simple. Elastic sides, Velcro. Quality is quite nice, no complaints. The only complaint is that the stitching here is only once, and I would prefer two, but you have case, so you don't have to worry about scratching your flashlight or how to carry it. So now let's see the flashlight. Build quality on this flashlight is very nice. It comes with metal clip and two buttons, one on the back, one on the side. You can unscrew the bezel, but I'll not do it. Also, you can unscrew tail cap. This battery comes with the flashlight. I'll talk about it later. Very nice spring here. Very strong and quite long. Also you can unscrew this part. And here you can see the physical protection from wrong polarity. Threads were greased enough. Very smooth. They make a bit of noise, but this don't bother me. And both sides has O-rings. Now the battery. I did all the tests with this battery. It's protected button top battery. On the top you have the LED, and while you will charge it, it will glow red. After it finish charging, it will glow green. And here is the USB-C charging port. And this battery is quite bigger than unprotected flat tops. So if you want to use the flat top unprotected batteries, you have to use a magnet, or you have to solder a blob on top, like I did here. So let me show you with flat top battery with magnet on top. It's a bit shorter, but it still works. No problems here. So it does not shake. And now let's see the UI. UI is quite simple. One press to turn on, one press to turn off. And if you slightly tap the button, you can use it as a tactical flashlight. To change modes, turn on the flashlight and use the side switch to change modes. They cycle from low to turbo, and button is very nice, clicky. Now, strobe warning. If you want to access strobe, you just hold the button. To return back, you press it again. To turn off, press side switch. So it has memory. If you change mode and turn it off, it will be on the same mode. Want to change the mode, turn on, switch mode, leave it like this and turn off. Simple UI, quite nice flashlight. So now let's see how it does in the dark. I hope you enjoyed those item shots. Now let's take a look at the graphs. Here we see that the flashlight has brightness stabilization, just on higher modes it's zigzaggy. On turbo it holds the brightness for approximately 20 seconds before stepping down, and it depends on ambient temperature. Also, I made a graph showing you that you can access the same output on turbo if you cool the flashlight. As always, link to those graphs will be in video description. Some final words about this flashlight. So I think this flashlight is very nice. Design is quite nice. The only thing that it does not have knurling, but it's made this way that it does not roll. So I give a plus for design. Build quality is very good on this flashlight, as I said previously. Also, it has brightness stabilization on all modes, even on turbo. If you cool this flashlight, you can access almost the same power on turbo when you turn on the flashlight. Of course, it will step down, but if you cool it, you can access the same power. At least while the battery is quite high. Also, I like that it has tactical mode, that you can just tap the button and release when you don't need the flashlight. Button quality is quite good. I like the beam pattern this flashlight has. It's very even. The only downside is the color temperature. Some people may not like 6500 kelvins, and possibility to choose LED color would be great. Another downside is that this flashlight has charging possibility, but you have to take the battery out to charge it. And I would prefer the charging port on the flashlight instead of on the battery. Also, this flashlight comes with all things you need to use it. It's the case, spare parts, battery, charging cable. So you buy the flashlight and you straight use it. No problems at all. And as an EDC flashlight, it's quite powerful, I would say. On the maximum output, it's almost 4000 lumens. Of course, it steps down after like 20 seconds, but then it has stabilization and holds almost 1200 lumens. So that's it about this flashlight. I like this flashlight, and let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Also, stay tuned for other reviews, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.